Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss defamation, particularly against the public servants by a public servant. Or simply I can say, can a state minister file a case of defamation against a central within bracket state minister? He is a central minister but state cadre. Can it be done or not? So we are going to discuss very important section 199 of the CRPC, right? So Supreme Court, two judges bench, Honorable Justice S. Abdul Nazir and V. Ram Subramaniam, in the case of Manoj Tiwari, or his full name is Manoj Kumar Tiwari, he is a union minister within bracket state, versus Manish Sisodia, he is the deputy chief minister of Arvind K, that is Delhi state. In criminal appeal number 179 by 2022 on 17/10/2022 held that, please remember, the public servant or minister covered under section 199 clause 2 CRPC, definitely they can file a complaint. The exception is only to the president, vice president or a governor. On their behalf, the public prosecutor or the advocate general, they will represent, that's all. Right? Here 199, 198, 199, they deal with the so-called sanction by the concerned authorities. Right. Now you all know that now he is this Manish Sisodia, he is facing corruption charges in Delhi liquor scam. But this case is concerned to educational institutions. On 1/7/2019, in a press conference, Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Union Minister, he alleged corruption against Manish Sisodia, that this Manish Sisodia is involved in a corruption to a tune of 200 crores for building classrooms in Delhi government schools. Definitely this is irritating, is a defamatory statement against Manish Sisodia. Therefore, he filed a case against Manoj Tiwari under section 499 and 500 IPC, read with 34 IPC also, because some Vijayendra Gupta, so many are there. Not only Manish Kumar, in that press meet so many people are there. This Vijayendra Gupta tweeted something against Manish Sisodia. So, aggrieved by this, actually Manish Sisodia filed a private complaint before a Delhi judicial magistrate who took it on file under section 200 CRPC, and after examining Manish Sisodia, he issued summons to Manish Kumar Tiwari. At this stage, Tiwari and others, they filed a petition before the Delhi High Court to quash for quashment of the FIR under section 482 CRPC. It's not agreed. Delhi High Court dismissed the same. Ultimately, the matter came to the Supreme Court. Now the important point, the section of law. Let us learn what is section 199. 199 says, no court shall take cognizance of defamation except on the complaint of the aggrieved person. Here, yes, aggrieved person is Manish Sisodia, he filed it. But 199 clause 2, it says, please remember, it deals with the special procedure, please remember, on a person who is the President of India, on a person who is the Governor of a state, on a person who is the Vice President of India. So, if for them, the public prosecutor, he has to file the complaint on their behalf, or if they are the defendants, he has to appear as the respondent, on behalf of the respondent, right? And 199 clause 4 says the PP can file with the previous sanction of the president or the state, right? So this is the problem. Here in the meeting, both of them are ministers. He is the state minister, that man is a central minister. So whether the case can be filed against him. So in this connection, the Supreme Court held that the contention of Tiwari, that the court should not have given the so-called summons to him because he is a person concerned under 199 clause 2 CRPC. The court said no. Why this sanction, other things are, they are given because of the sanctity of the post of the president, vice president or the governor. Minister, no doubt, he is a public servant. Definitely, when he is working, he is a public servant. Sanction is necessary. But the same thing, other man is also a minister and he can allege defamation, he can file a private complaint, no bar. This is what is stated in this particular case. Because the provisions of 199 clause 2 are not in derogatory to the general procedure. So, being a public servant, he cannot have any this thing, a special procedure. So, definitely he has to appear before the court. So, appeal of Manoj Kumar Tiwari is dismissed. So, of course, as regards Vijayendra Gupta, the second person, he has tweeted something that was not, his case has been quashed. So, very good judgment. Please observe the same very carefully, whether 199 clause 2 CRPC applies to minister or not. 100% not to the minister. That's so this is only additional, that is a safeguarding procedure, but not in derogation of the fundamental rights, that is defamation. It is a violation of the freedom of speech and secular thing. So with this I am saying thank you.